Hey, welcome back. Today I have Ellen with me, and she's a super awesome friend, good neighbor. I still call her my neighbor, even though we don't live exactly across the street anymore. Now she has to drive to me to get her haircut. But anyway, she is an awesome friend and so good to my kids. So she has a cute pixie cut, and I would love to show you that. So we like to just do her neckline blunt. In fact, we're just gonna bring in the clippers. Just make this nice and clean. Okay. All right, now we're gonna start at the top of the head. Now, Ellen gets her haircut every 3 weeks, and you can tell, you can see how much I'm taking off. Her hair definitely grows. If we didn't cut it every few weeks, she would definitely be out of a style. So we definitely have to keep it short, for sure. So down here by this bottom area, is when I start touching my fingers to her scalp. That will just make it tighter. Okay, so about here coming down, this is where we go tight down there. And then of course when she, dries it and everything, it just dries straight down, so you don't have to deal with it. Okay. All right, now same thing down here. You can see I am touching her head with my fingers all the way. Okay, now we'll come on this side. Hopefully your day is going good. Mine's going good. In our little town, well, I guess it's growing, but yeah, it's all nice and cloudy today. I'm just thinking it feels a little bit like fall, which is crazy, right? It's been like the last couple days, it feels like that, so it's kind of crazy.
The storm's been nice though.
Yeah, it has. It has definitely cooled things off, so that's super nice. It's like going from 1,000 degrees to
Yeah. Or you can stand it.
Yeah, it's so true. So true. Other than Garrison, my husband's a builder, and so it stresses him out. Yeah. Don't want the flooding and all that with the new building, so. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna clean this up behind the ear. Okay, and then this ear we'll do the same. Okay, awesome. All right, now we're gonna do this top area. I'm gonna point cut as I come forward this way. I love that more than just cutting it straight across. And what I mean by that is like this, okay? So I'm going in like this instead of like this. Just helps a little bit with the texture of the hair and the way it looks when you style it. Okay, and now on the sides, we're gonna hold these out just a little bit. Take a little bit off of here. Her sides, we don't need to take as much as we do on the rest of it. They don't grow as much. They still grow, but they don't grow as much. So you can see I'm just taking a little bit off the sides. And then I'm going to trim around this ear. Ellen has cute ears for a short haircut. You do, you do. Okay, sweet. Now we're going to come on this side. Same thing, we're going to hold this out, take a little bit off the side. Doing good, Ellen?
Yep.
Okay, sweet. Yeah, Ellen's color too is absolutely gorgeous. We used to color, and then we got to the point where we're like, you know what, her natural color is so pretty that we decided to just let it go, and it's super, super pretty. Okay, and then same thing up through here. We are just taking, you can see I'm going in on an angle, and I come down this way and take a little bit out of the bang. So that doesn't mean I just go cut them straight across. And if you like that look, that is great, absolutely great. I just like to do different lengths on Ellen's. So I can see when I come up, I can feel that I'm still holding over here. So that means there's a little bit over here that we need to take off, which is right there. That's why you just want to double check everywhere that you've cut. Okay, sweet. All right, now for texture. Texture will help your hair stand up. So if you feel like your hair is just kind of hanging there, it's not doing much, then texture will really help. You can see I'm just kind of coming in. I go in and like 1, 2, 1, 2. If you have a part, you don't want to obviously texturize in a part or around your hairline, any of the hairlines. So just around inside will help, you know, cut little hairs in there so the longer hairs will stand on top of it. And then I do like to take the chunky texturizing shears and just come up through this top because we like her hair to stand up. So just through those top areas, just so it pieces it out a little bit more. And then the mousse that I use is the Kenra. It's the extra, so it will give you more volume. I do love this mousse. And just rub it in really good. Make sure you get it throughout the hair instead of just plop it on and then just try to move it. Okay, a little bit of volume and lift spray. Okay, now we're going to dry. Okay, we're going to go just dry this down the back. Feels good with the nose going through your head. Okay, wait. Yeah, that works. We try to kind of scratch their head when they're drying, just to give them a little extra. Okay, so now that that's down, then I come up to the sides, kind of dry those coils just a little bit. And then back and forth with my fingers up here. And then the Epic brush, I just like to go back and forth after it's about 80% dry. So you can see I just have the brush and I'm going back and forth this way. And sideways. So I want to show you guys this. This is just standing up on its own, and a lot of that is to do with the texturizing. So if you have a hard time with your hair standing up, maybe talk to your stylist about texture. Definitely can help. So I can see this is a little bit too long over here. See, it's still on her ear. So I'm going to come up and I'm going to take just a little bit more. Perfect. Now it's off her ear. So little things like that, just keep an eye on. Just taking the flat iron and lifting up. It's pretty much all standing up, but I like to just take the flat iron through it. Just a little bit. Okay, all right, now the styling paste. I love this styling paste. I just dip my finger in, take a little bit, and then rub it in, and then come through the hair. If you're a little bit nervous to use the styling paste, maybe start a little bit with your fingertips and then just go in and start with your fingertips instead of like grabbing at it. And then that way you can get used to, you know, how much you need. Okay, now I'm just going to back comb this a little bit, and then I will turn her to the front so I can see. Just taking my pin comb through here. If you don't have a pin comb, you can take a fine tooth comb like this with the teeth close together, and you can back comb that way. Then I always like to spray, and then I like to set the hair back into place. Then I'm going to turn her to the mirror so we can see what we're doing here. Oh, cute. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I wish I could do that. One thing, that's so cute. Well, it always looks cute when I see you, so. One thing about Ellen, her yard is, yeah, immaculate. She keeps up a really good yard, which I love, because I love yards and I love them to look super nice. And so I know that was random, but I just thought about that. I'm like, you know what? Something a little special about Ellen. She has a gorgeous yard. She's super good with flowers. Okay. All right, now what I'm going to do is turn her all the way around so you can see the back also. And see how cute this is and how tight down here and how it comes up so she gets the fullness throughout. Okay, super cute, Ellen. Okay, thank you so much for letting us record, and I appreciate your support, and I hope you have a great day. And if you have any questions, let me know. I would love to answer them, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good day, you guys. See you next time.